New biology discoveries are changing everything. Ready to test your knowledge? Let's begin. Question number 1. Which company released the first human clinical data supporting the safety or efficacy of prime editing in 2025? The correct answer is option B, Prime Medicine. Next question is, prime editing PE is best described as. Right answer is option A, a CRISPR derived method that performs precise DNA changes without double strand breaks. Which two CRISPR derived technologies had entered clinical trials by 2025 commonly reported? Right answer is base editing and prime editing. A major 2025 Nature paper reported that receiving an mRNA COVID 19 vaccine within 100 days of starting immune checkpoint inhibitors was associated with. Right answer is option C, improved overall survival in some cancers. Synthetic embryo models, also called embryo like structures, blastoids, or gastroloids, are typically created from. Right answer is option B, pluripotent stem cells grown in vitro. One ethical or regulatory concern raised in 2025 about embryo like structures was that. Right answer is option A, existing laws do not always clearly apply to these models. Senolytics are drugs intended to. Right answer is option B, remove or reduce senescent aged cells from tissues. A commonly tested senolytic cocktail in human pilot studies is. Right answer is option A, dasatinib plus quercetin DQ. Organoids are best described as. Right answer is option A, miniature simplified version of organs grown from stem cells in vitro. Which model system gained attention in 2025 as a platform to study early human development without using intact embryos? Right answer is option A, blastoids or gastroloid stem cell based embryo models. Xenobots are tiny programmable biological constructs originally built from cells of which animal? Right answer is option B, African clawed frog Xenopus. A notable property often highlighted for xenobots is that they can. The correct answer is option A, be programmed to perform simple tasks and are biodegradable. Which of the following was reported as an advance in CRISPR in 2025? Right answer is option A, AI tools improving guide selection and editing precision. Therapeutic mRNA technology in 2025 was being explored for. Right answer is option B, a wide range including cancer vaccines and therapeutic vaccines. Which therapeutic approach reported pilot or early clinical work in 2025 to target aging or age related disease? Right answer is option A, senolytics to clear senescent cells. Prime editing differs from traditional CRISPR-Cas9 because it aims to. Right answer is option A, make targeted small edits without causing double-strand DNA breaks. A 2025 trend in biotechnology was combining AI with wet lab experiments primarily to. Right answer is automate design of biological constructs and predict outcomes faster. Which of these is a common research application of organoids reported in 2025? Right answer is option A, disease modeling and drug testing on patient derived tissue. Clinical trials in 2025 for gene editing primarily focused on. Right answer is option A, rare genetic diseases and some more common conditions using targeted edits. A prominent safety advantage often cited for base editing and prime editing is. Right answer is option A, they can make precise changes with reduced unintended double strand breaks. The regulatory discussion in 2025 around synthetic embryo models emphasized the need to. Right answer is clarify rules because these models sit in a legal or regulatory gap. Which of these is an example of a senescence marker that studies often measure? Right answer is P16 INK4A expression, a senescence associated marker. Which statement about mRNA vaccine platform 2025 is true? Right answer is option A. They are adaptable platforms being trailed beyond infectious diseases, example cancer. Which of the following was a real 2025 research focus combining biology and computation? Right answer is option A, using computational design to create cell assemblies, example xenoboards and embryo models. Overall, a key theme across 2024 to 2025 biology advances has been. Right answer is integration of precision, gene editing, stem cell models, mRNA therapeutics, senolytics, and AI to accelerate discovery. Thanks for watching. How many questions did you get right? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing MCQs on the latest biology discoveries. See you in the next quiz.